Hi, Dr. Sanders, City View Chiropractic here. Just wanted to share a quick message with you that I think will be very valuable for you or maybe someone that you care about. And it was about an experience I had in my office with a patient that was a past patient here, just hadn't been in a while, over a year. And she came in and was hurting and said she was in a car crash about 10 months ago. And at first thought, I wish you would have come in. I specialize in that. I could have helped you. And she said that, well, she had an attorney and the attorney wanted her to go to a different office. And it just made me realize how many of my people I take care of don't realize that's something I specialize in and can help you with. And that office she said that she went to, all they did was just have her sit in a therapy chair. I said, what do you mean? I mean, they probably did some other things, right? She said, no, I just sat in a therapy chair every time, that was it. And she's still hurting. And so that's where I realized, a lot of the people that I take care of probably don't realize that this is something I can help them with if they ever find themselves in that situation, unfortunately. It can get very complicated with a car crash because there's one, your health and your recovery. What kind of care do you need or not need? And what team may you need, depending on the severity of the injury. You could need medical help with orthopedic care or specialized pain management care, MRI imaging, a neurologist, if there's any kind of possible concussion issues. So I have the team for that. I know who to work with. And then there's insurance. Auto insurance. It could be your auto insurance and how to handle that. Could be if someone else is at fault, it could be someone else's auto insurance. And that can get very tricky and risky. And there's a lot of things you need to know what to do and not to do. And you could need an attorney. And how do you find an attorney? I know the good ones and I know the not so good ones. So there's a lot of factors that I've, in my experience, in 16 years, I've been a part of treating over 700 injury cases in the Fort Worth area. So I've seen just about everything there is to see. And if you ever find yourself in that kind of situation, just call me and I can help consult with you and see the best way to go forward in handling any of those aspects, whether it's for you or someone you care about. So hope this was helpful. And remember, if anything's ever bugging you, just call me.